Bottom ka, girl.
Somewhere on the sea, I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back.
Like I said in my other vlog videos, parang isang buong workday siya tong buong week. Like hindi ko na feel na like may rest time talaga ako kasi dire-diretso lang talaga. It's like pagkatapos siguro 6 or 7 matatapos yung work ko. And then kahit sabihin mong may ilang hours ako bago matulog, parang ang nararamdaman ko nasa opisina pa rin. At tumitingin.
Yeah.
Fiber, ganyan.
Tapos parang pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na maligo, gumalaw. Nakakatamad. Pero ngayon na-experience ko yung work from home. It's very, alam mo yun, very bago sa pakiramdam.
I feel like there really needs to be, parang mas may discipline ka na sabihin, not just the time that you're gonna work, pero yung mga places din sa bahay na, eto, pang work lang yung desk na to. Pag lumabas ako dito, hindi ako mag-work.
Correct.
Parang may feeling pa rin na, hindi, office tong place na to, and then yung ibang places, yun yung, eto, chillax lang tayo, magsasettle lang ako.
Kaya mas better talaga na meron ka talagang designated na workstation, di ba? Kesa na yung workstation mo nandun sa kwarto mo, parang, ay, tinatawag ako ng bed. Actually, magandang factor talaga yun na dapat yung workstation mo ay maganda talaga yung lighting, yung hindi nakakatamad na lighting. Alam mo yun? Like, yung kay Jason ngayon, parang masyado siyang maliwanag. So, nagkaka-energy ka to work. Alam mo yun? Pero masasabi niyo ba na masasabi niyo ba na mas productive kayo while working from home? Or mas productive kayo sa office?
When it comes to working, yeah, I think mas productive ako. I mean, it's a balance. I mean, kung gusto mong mag-work, as in talagang gusto mong maging productive naman, you can be. Pero pag umatake talaga yung pagkatamad mo na you just wanna chill or you
want to sabihin, malalaman nila.
Na hindi ako nagtatrabaho.
Alam ko, dalawa yan.
Makat na lang po. Opo. Hindi. Pero di ba, parang kanina, sabi mo nga na you wanted to sleep pero hindi ka makatulog kasi baka may mag-message na urgent. So, mahirap ding magpahinga or mag-chill. Binawi.
Ang mahirap is sa init ng day na yun. Itong buong week ang init. Alam mo, hindi ka makafocus pag mainit. Parang gusto mo lang, tumingala.
Hirap pa kasi hindi ka makapag-meet with the client and everything and with your team, di ba?
Oo, so video call na nga lahat ng process. Tapos pagdating sa dulo, pagdating sa pitch mismo, video call pa rin.
And
diba, parang
syempre mas madami kayong kailangan pag-usapan since hindi kayo magkakasama. Iba pa rin talaga yung nag-uusap kayo personally on a meeting kesa like ganito.
Yeah, mas may reassurance ka na naiintindihan ng mga tao yung sinasabi.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yun nga, ang hirap din i-relay na sabi mo nga na kung naiintindihan ba nila or they're just like saying yes when you're in a meeting. Huli po natin kung sino ang hindi nagsatrabaho. Puro alignment. Nasa meeting po siya. Ayan, oh. Siya po ay naglalaro.
Hoy, hindi. Nakikinig ako sa meeting. Yes. Tama.
yung taken for granted ko pa is not just the celebration that the celebration of like mag-eat out ka, kakain ka sa labas, or you're gonna drink with people, your friends, but even just doing work in the office with people na face-to-face. Kasi naaalala ko lahat ng times na pag nagme-meeting tayo,
nag-reminisce.
Oo.
When it's dark, light my way. Bless my heart, Lord, bless my day. I hit a high.
Naalala ko yun, and then parang tawanan lang, ang sarap mag-brainstorming.
This is going to be kind of embarrassing because you're going to be seeing exactly just how bad I am at this. But honestly, if you can stick to the daily Yoga with Adrian challenge, which I'm doing on YouTube at the moment, you'll really notice a lot of your body and mind just find much more balance throughout the day. And it's kind of hard to describe, but you're also feeling so much more energetic.
Wala na akong magawa. At alam nyo naman kung anong uso ngayon, di ba? TikTok is the real kaya ito try natin.
Being with your family, alam mo yun, nakakagaan or nakaka-reset. Na every morning makikita mo sila. Umiyak!
Oh! Naiiyak!
Pero yun, basically.
Hindi ko ramdam yun na makapag-spend time with my family dahil wala ako with my family. Pero sobrang thankful ako na inampun ako nila ni John.
So, andito na naman tayo kasama kong aking mama.
Yes. Hello guys!
Yes. Oh, hello muna sa mga...
Hello guys!
Yeah.
Ganon?
Ganon! Wala na. Akin na to. Realize ko na napakaswerte natin ngayong naka-work from home.
Actually, ang dami talaga pa rin mga offices na nag-work pa din sila sa kanilang office. hindi pa rin sila naka-work from home.
I feel bad para sa mga taong, alam mo yung hindi sila maka-work from home or stay at home because they need to work. It's the street vendors, the tricycle drivers that needed to strive every day. Alam mo yun?
Sobrang importante talaga na sumunod tayo sa lockdown na to, sa quarantine na to, di ba? Kahit na doon na lang na sa maliit na paraan na yon, makakatulong tayo sa hindi pagkalat ng COVID-19.
Seryoso, ano yung magiging message yun sa ating mga frontliners?
I am so thankful to all of your help. Every time I hear good news, I think of you guys and I think of you helping to bring us all back to our normal lives after this quarantine.
Better days are coming and alam mo yun, na...
Hello?
Naiiyak ka. Alam mo yun,
Oh my God! Naiiyak si John!
I just feel sad. And, alam mo yun, sana tibayan lang nila yung loob nila. And, makakamit din natin yung normal, our normal
lives again.
Yeah. Sabi nga sa song, matatapos din.
True. Saludo po tayo sa lahat ng mga frontliners and sana po hindi po kayo mapagod sa pagtulong. And for sure, lahat po ng tao, you're all included in their prayers.
Thank you for watching this lockdown episode of Pagsubex. We hope to be able to join each other again soon so that we can shoot in the outside world after quarantine. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the 8list.ph YouTube channel, and also consider donating to a frontliner organization that is worthy of all of the money that we can spare. My name is Jason.
I'm John.
I'm Mark. And guys, please remember to stay home and stay safe. And this is
Pagsubex.
Sasayaw ako.